LFLDeskSCC.com.
Fun and easy.
The best place to learn accounting.
Hi guys, today we are going to learn about depreciation and disposal. What is depreciation? Depreciation is related with NCA. NCA, the value of NCA every year will decline since you buy it, okay? Example, motor vehicle, you buy it in 2001 and then in 2002 the value will be declined. So depreciation, what is depreciation? Depreciation is part of cost of non-current asset that is consumed during the year. Okay, that is what is depreciation. The reason why you have to depreciate it every year, the reason is number one is because wear and tear. Number two is because obsolete. Number 3 is because passage of time. Number 4 because exhausted. How does depreciation of non-current asset affect to the account? Okay, there is two events. One is when you buy the NCA. When you buy the NCA is capital expenditure. Capital expenditure meaning you spend money to buy NCA. Equipment in debit side, bank in credit side. Second one is the depreciation. How to record depreciation of non-current asset? Number 1, the total depreciation itself, you put it into capital expenditure, is the part of the capital expenditure. The total of depreciation, you put it as part of capital expenditure. But the depreciation for the year, you put it as revenue expenditure. Revenue expenditure is mean you transfer into income statement. Capital expenditure you transfer into SOFP. This is the journal, depreciation of equipment debit side, provision for depreciation, the total of depreciation. 5 different class of non-current asset. Number 1, land and building. Number 2 is plant and machinery. Number 3 is fixture and fitting. Number 4 is motor vehicle. And number 5 is computer equipment. There is 5 classify of NCA. Depreciation method. There is 3 depreciation method. So number 1 is straight line. Number 2 is reducing balance method. And number 3 is revaluation. How to calculate straight line? You have to calculate the total amount of depreciation. Yeah. How to calculate the cost of NCA? You have to deduct it by residual value. Okay. And then the total amount of depreciation, you divide it into how many years that you want to depreciate the non-current asset. Is that simple? The total amount will be the same from year to year. Okay? Because you divide it by how many years. In the reducing balance is different. You have to calculate the net book value. How to calculate net book value is cost of non-current asset deducted by provision for the depreciation, the total of depreciation. So become net book value. And then in reducing balance method, the amount will not be the same, but the percentage will be the same from year to year. will be the same from year to year. Now, how to choose depreciation method? Okay, straight line and reducing balance. How to choose? Number one, straight line is when the asset you expect to earn money evenly, okay, or the value of non-current asset will be declined gradually. Example is fixture and fitting. Number two, reducing balance method. Number two, you use reducing balance method when the asset earning power will diminish as the asset get older, or when the asset lost more its value in the early years of its life. So you have to use it, the reducing balance method. The example is computer. Okay, more important about the depreciation. We will see in the part 2. This is about disposal. Okay, bye bye.